Stocks tumbled today, and commodities take their biggest plunge since 2009. Deborah Kostroun has all the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Well, thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, stocks taking a tumble, and traders once again focus on commodities with that big plunge. And everywhere you look, commodities just dropping off a cliff. Crude oil down a startling 13% this week, and that was after this big drop today of 9%. And it's just amazing that we started out this week with crude oil at $113 a barrel, and now we closed out $99.80 a barrel. And this is the first time we've been below $100 a barrel since March 17th. Silver, another big story today, down 11%. And if you look at a year-to-date chart of silver, you can see the big run-up to this big drop that we saw this week. In fact, a lot of the increases in silver over the past month really kind of wiped out this week. This was after the CME group raising those margin requirements on silver. So now it's twice more expensive to trade silver than just a couple of weeks ago. And traders say that we could see silver dropping even more, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, of course, everyone's talking about commodities today, but really what caused them to tumble besides the big jump in margin requirements, at least for silver? Was it the jobless claims report?
Yeah, jobless claims certainly had something to do with that, because jobless claims creeped up, and they've been coming down since the second half of 2010. But with the slight increase, it really kind of set off a lot of concerns that perhaps the improvement in jobs is slowing down. And that report in jobless claims actually causing the dollar to rally. And of course, that has a big impact on commodities as well. But of course, we do get the big jobs report tomorrow, and indications are that we could have a little bit of a weakening jobs report, and that could also mean that the economic outlook looking a little bit more challenging. Now, traders also saying look toward the ECB, because the ECB saying that they are going to wait until after June to raise interest rates. And many saw that as very surprising, because they expected the ECB to raise rates to fight inflation. So interest rates certainly also on everyone's mind. Pimm.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.